Here is how to delete your Instagram account in 2026. So Instagram has again changed how to do this, and this is the most updated method. So first open Instagram on your phone, then come to the profile page that's at the bottom right. Once you're here, click on the three lines that are on the top right, and here select the first option, Accounts Center. Then scroll down and select this option, Manage Accounts. Then next to Instagram, just select Manage, and here we have the option to delete our account. So on top, you'll see the Instagram account that you're doing this for, and then select deactivate or delete. Now, if you want to delete your account, select the second option, which is to permanently delete your account, and the first option is to deactivate temporarily. So here they've said that when you delete your account, your profile, your photos, videos, comments, likes, all of that will be removed forever. If you're sure you want to do this, click on continue. Then here click on continue again. After that, just select a reason, click on continue. And this is the last option. They've asked if you want to export any of your information before deleting. If you want to do that, you can select export info or else click on continue. You'll have to enter your password over here. And now to delete, you have to click on delete account. So one thing to note, that your account will be deleted only 1 month from today. So in that 1 month, if you want to get back your account, you can do that by simply logging in with your username and password. But for now, to delete, just click on delete account and then it will be deleted. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.